The newest Duo is the world's first dual 16-inch screen gaming laptop, and the headline setup includes an Intel Core Ultra 9386H up to an RTX 5090, dual 3K OLED displays, and a premium aluminum build. If you've ever wished your gaming laptop had a built-in second monitor, the ASUS ROG Zephyrus Duo is basically that dream turned into a premium reality. This machine is not just powerful, it's designed for gamers, streamers, editors, and multitaskers who want serious performance with a truly unique dual-screen workflow, design, and features. The standout feature is the dual-screen layout. Both displays are 16-inch, 3K OLED panels with a 120 Hz refresh rate, 0.2 milliseconds response time, Pantone validation, and 100% DCI-P3 color coverage. ASUS also gives it a detachable wireless keyboard, CNC machined aluminum chassis, lighting, Wi-Fi 7, Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and a full SD card reader. ROG.ASUS specs and technical details. The top configuration includes the Intel Core Ultra 9386H with 16 cores and an NPU rated up to 50 TOPS, plus up to an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 laptop GPU. With 150W Max TGP, memory goes up to 64 GB LPDDR5X 8533. Storage goes up to a 2 TB PCIe 5.0 SSD, and the battery is 90 watt-hours with a 250W adapter. The laptop measures 35.5x, 24.7x, 1.992, 2.49 centimeters, and weighs 2.82 kilograms. Display and audio. Quality for display quality. This is one of the biggest selling points. Both OLED panels are bright, sharp, and ideal for HDR gaming and color-sensitive work. ASUS also includes Dolby Atmos, smart amp technology, AI noise canceling, and a 4-speaker setup with dual-force woofers, so it's built to sound as premium as it looks. Performance and battery life. Early reviews say the Zephyrus Duo delivers excellent gaming and multitasking performance, but it's clearly made for performance-first use rather than all-day battery life. Reviewers note that the 90 watt-hours battery is decent for productivity, but heavy gaming or both screens active will require the 250W charger. Price and availability. Pricing is steep, as expected for a dual-screen flagship. Recent reporting shows the base configuration at $4,499.99 with RTX 5070 Ti, while a higher-end model with RTX 5090 has been reviewed at around $5,500. Pros: dual full-size OLED screens, excellent multitasking, premium materials, strong gaming performance, and creator-friendly color accuracy. Cons: very expensive, heavy at 2.82 kilograms, and not ideal if you want something simple or highly portable. The base $5,500 model ships with only 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage, which feels stingy at this tier. Who it's for. This laptop is best for streamers, video editors, creators, engineers, and power users who genuinely benefit from 2 screens in one machine. It is also for buyers who want a statement device and are willing to pay for a unique workflow instead of a traditional laptop design. Worth it? If you want maximum portability, no, this is not the laptop for that. But if you want one of the most advanced and unique gaming laptops on the market, the Zephyrus Duo is absolutely one of the most impressive options available right now.